welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, I am back in the Boxster. I have picked it up from Jack. I've just put some fuel in, and now I'm going to take it home, and then I need to book it in for an MOT. And so it's had new struts on the front, one of the suspension top mounts which broke when he was taking it off, that's been changed, new discs on the back, new pads on the back, new CV boots, and the indicator stalk now works. So that's most of the things, but the thing is, the suspension still doesn't feel great. It's still a bit twangy, I want to say, really clangy. Are these all words I'm making up? I think it's something to do with the fact that the struts have been so bad for so long that, you know, the ball joints and God knows what else has had extra stress on it. So Jack said, although they're not perfect, they'll get through an MOT, and I don't want to get it perfect. I haven't got the money to get it perfect. Otherwise, if I had the money, I would have said, yeah, just fix everything. So he's done the right thing. You can still hear the clicking. I don't know if you can on the video, probably not, but it does make quite a strong clicking noise. And that is timing chain, guys. He's checked the plugs, so I don't know if it's going to get better the more I drive it. The previous owner didn't mention it, but then he didn't mention a lot of other things as well, so we'll just have to wait and see. The brakes are much better, but it's just that little, yeah, even my 911 feels better, even though that's got all the struts. One of the struts just would fall down under its own weight, zero oil in it. I just don't know how it got through the previous MOT. It had an advisory that it was wet with oil, but it didn't say, do you know what? It's not doing any damping, it's doing nothing. So, and the other one was actually, it was a build stain as well, so it was fine. But I'm glad that both of them got changed. And as with the discs, I think I mentioned, and it's good to be able to not have any warning lights and to be able to brake and not worry about anything. The discs, as I mentioned, I ordered them off from GSF via eBay, so they came direct from the German supplier, or German outfit, and they were super cheap. It's Brembo discs and pads, but they actually sent the wrong kit. Not the wrong kit, they put it together wrong. They sent the right pads, but they sent Boxster S drilled discs. So I've got a set of those now, because Jack had to then go and buy a set of discs from I can't remember where he got them from, but he put discs on. So I've got those, which I think he's going to be able to use and sell to somebody else. I don't know. But anyway, that's done. So I think that's where we are. I'm not really going to do anything else with this car, apart from once I've got it MOT the taxed, I'm going to use it more. The mass airflow sensor problem wasn't the sensor. It's within the throttle body, where it does a little check to try and find where the range is, I guess, and it was getting stuck. So Jack's cleaned it out, and it kind of works, but it's kind of always hunting around for the idle. It's not quite right. So I don't know if that's because it needs to be driven. The engine sounds great, the exhaust sounds great. I just need that clicking to stop. So yeah, if it gets through the MOT and I can drive it for a little bit, just to make sure that it's usable. It does do a little stutter, which it didn't do when the mass airflow sensor was disconnected. And the sensor looks brand new. I guess, would it always look brand new? But yeah, it's a little bit clangy over the bumps. Like, it vibrates a little bit. I think it's starting to sound a bit funny at idle. Yeah, it definitely has a little bit of a stutter at 3,000 RPM. That cyclist, what's he doing? Yeah. I mean, I probably shouldn't be driving it this hard. I'm just going to try to get home now. And that's it anyway, that's the update. It was just a very brief update on the Boxster. It's going. Suspension is done, brakes are done, CV boots are done, and just got to drive it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hitting like. Thanks for subscribing. I saw that, by the way, just on that front, I did see that Ed China is trying to get 1 million subscribers. Oh my god, I can't get to like 715. But that he's Ed China though, and he's brilliant. So that's probably the difference. I wonder if I need tracking doing now that that's done. Anyway, that's for another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.